Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. I'm Andrew and this is
Yuli.
And today we're going to be showing you how to draw. What are we going to be drawing?
A unicorn.
Excellent. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell if you'd like to receive notifications. If you enjoy our tutorial,
Thumbs up if you like us.
excellent. Okay, so first of all we're going to get our black pen, okay, and we'll start with the head, and that is the most trickiest bit. So we've got our paper landscape, and we've got to think, well, the feet are going to be about there, aren't they? The body's going to be about there, the neck's going to be there, so we kind of want to draw the head about here, don't we? Okay?
Here.
Yeah, about there, all right? And really what we're kind of doing is we're doing a triangle with like a rounded corners. So start there, and instead of having it straight, we'll just tip it down a little bit. So we're doing it a line like that, slightly at an angle. Can you do that? Really good. Okay, and then we're just going to sort of round off the tip for his nose. So we just round that bit off like that. Okay, and then we've got to do like a long forehead coming down like this, and we just put like a little bit of a curve in it so it dimples down a little bit where the nose is. There we go, perfect. All right, now the horn's going to be about there, so I'll put a little mark there so I know where the tip is. And then I'm going to draw a line up like that, and a line up like that. That's amazing. Okay, so we'll go a little bit of a curl here for the hair. Yep, and then we're kind of going to do a leaf shape on the top for the ear. Yeah. Really good. Okay, now we're going to do like a little bit of like an M shape there.
What?
Just next to the horn, a little bit of an M shape. Just there, see? Just there. Yeah, that's it. And here we're going to do like a bigger M, and this is going to be the mane. And just behind the mane, there's going to be the tip, like a little triangle, for the other ear sticking up behind. Super cool. Alright, now for the nose, a lot of horses have got a different coloured nose to the rest of their body, so I'm just going to do kind of again like a bubbly E shape here for the nose. Okay. Now the unicorn's horn's twisty, so if we do diagonal lines, we'll make it look like his horn's twisty. Good. Now I'm just going to do a circle about here for the eye, like that. And I'm going to give it a little bit of an eyebrow just up there, like that. You could just do a little dot or something if you want. That's it. And then we'll just shade that bit of the eye. Okay. Now the mane is going to curl around the side of his cheek, so it's going to go round like that and then back like that and join up like that. That's it, that's fine. Yep. Right, so what's the next thing I need to do? So you're going to make yours happy or sad?
Happy.
Okay, so you need to give it like a little smile like that. And then we'll just give it a little bit of a nostril, so it's kind of like a line down but slightly curved, so like that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's really good actually. Yours looks much nicer than mine. Right, so we've done the head, we've done the mane, we've done the ears. Let's start with the neck. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down and then curve and then go down and then curve. So we're going down like this, curving, down and then curve like that. So down, curve,
So should
down,
we start here?
curve. No, not from there. From just under where the nose is, just under there. Yes, they're on there. You see? That's it. Down, curve out. That's it. Okay, and then just do a little curve around there. Okay. Right. So Next I'm going to do the muscles at the front of his chest, and I'm going to do that in a heart shape about there. Okay, so I'm just going to go like that, like that. Okay. Cool, that looks great. All right, and then just under here we're going to do a little bit of a line, like a horizontal line. That's it. Cool. And then if we draw a line down for the hooves, and I'm going to draw a little bit of a line across like that.
Zigzag.
Yep. And then I'm just going to do like a little diagonal line, because unicorns have got cloven hooves, so they haven't got hooves like a normal horse. Okay, and then I'm just going to zig out a little bit, like do another horizontal line that way, and then I'm going to join that up to there like that. So that's looking great. Okay, so then we'll do the same here, but this leg is a bit closer to it, so I'm going to do it ever so slightly longer, just a tiny touch. Okay, that's it. And then we're going to do another horizontal line that way. Yeah, and then I'm going to do kind of like a slightly curved diagonal line, so just a little bit like that. Really good. Okay, now we do a little line like that and that for the hooves. Okay, now for his tummy and his chest, we could just do it straight across, but horses run a lot and they do a lot of exercise, so they kind of don't have round tummies. So if we just do a little bit of a curve in and then join it up, we'll kind of get that sort of shape.
Like S.
Yeah, on its line on its side. Yeah, cool stuff. Right, now for the legs. Again, like another S. So I'm going to go down and then forwards like that. And then I'm going to do another one running parallel to it like that. Yeah, and then I'm going to draw across, do another little line like that. Excellent. Okay, so for the back leg, kind of got to do a round shape like that. So it's kind of curving from there round to there. That's it. Okay. And then from here, I'm going to do a curve going in the opposite direction like that. Down there. That's it. And then it's going to go round like that. That's it. And I'm going to do another line that way. And then I'm going to follow that line that I've just done. Okay, now.
Draw the line.
Yeah, so for his bottom, we kind of want his bottom to be slightly sticking up a little bit. Okay, so we're going to curve it round. Instead of joining it up to there, we want it to join up about there. And we kind of want a little flick at the end. So I'm going to go round like that, and then flick like that. Yeah, okay. So now we've got to do his crazy mane. So I'm going to do a curve going that way. Curve going around this way. So it's going all the way down to there. Great. Then it's going to do a diagonal line like that. And then I'm going to join this diagonal line to that line with another curve like that. Yeah. And then from the head, I'm going to do a diagonal line like that. Yeah, and then I'm kind of going to do like a big sweeping letter J. So it's going to go round and join up like that. Okay, now we're nearly done.
Tail.
We need to do the tail, that's right. So I'm going to do it like a diagonal line at an angle like that. And then I'm going to curve down and then do a little wiggle and stop there. Okay, and from here, just below, I'm going to follow that. So I'm just going to do another little diagonal line, just a little bit lower there. That's it. And then I'm going to curve it round and make it go down so it's almost touching where the hoops are. So from that point down, yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to take it around on a crazy journey because I want to show off all the rainbow colours. So I get to there. That's it. And then at this point I'm going to go zigzag, zigzag, like that. Okay. And then at that point I'm going to take it around and join it back up to there. Brilliant work. Now let's put another little line in. Oh, you've already done that line, I'd forgotten to do that. Let's do some more mane on this side, so I'm just going to flick out that side, like that. And then I'm going to do another little curved line like that. Another little curved line that way, and then I'm going to do it that side. Fantastic work, Julie. So now I think it's time for us to colour it in. Wow, what a fantastic unicorn.
Mine is the best.
It certainly is. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and if you have any comments and suggestions, please put it in the box below. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell if you'd like to receive notifications. And don't forget to
Thumbs up if you like us.
thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.